let's go to our problem of the day. You look like a lot of words there, but it's a story. It's a story problem. So Jacy has been walking on a track, preparing for trick-or-treat. One trip around the track is 440 yards. How many trips around the track will make a total of 3 miles? Wow, that's a lot of words there. Couple of things we guess we need to know, but let's go back and look at this one more time. We're doing trick-or-treat. Yep, tomorrow night's Halloween. One trip around the track is 440 yards. How many trips will it take to make 3 miles happen? All right, let's take a look at this thing. Let's see what's going on. You know the biggest thing we've got to worry about, Jacy? I think we need to know how many yards are in a mile. That's the big thing right there, because that's going to take care of us on this problem. That's what we're looking for. So Jacy has been walking around the track, like it says, preparing for trick-or-treat. This 440 is important. What we've got to worry about is 3 miles. Now some of you say, is there 440 yards in a mile? No, there are not. So let's go to that equivalency first, because that's going to be where we start off here. So 1 mile equals, you got it? 1,760 yards. And that, my friends, that is really what a track is. If you go to a high school track that goes around the football field, basically when you're having a track meet there and you're doing long distance running, you're running them out, you're going to run that thing a certain amount of times based on the fact that there is 440 yards there. Now, what does 1 mile equal? Equals 1,760 yards. My thought is, we can use some little thinking here, right? Maybe we need to figure out 1 mile, how many laps it's going to be. And you say, well, Ernie, how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to take that 440 and we're going to do a little long division here. Maybe short division, because hopefully it'll come out even. But we're going to run the division into that 1,760. So let's try it. Let's pick up 440, put it on the outside, 1,760. I'm going to play estimating here, because it's pretty obvious that we're going to be single digiting here. You're hoping, everybody's hoping that, right? You've got, whew, and by the way, we're looking to figure out how many laps we're talking about here. So we're going to take, and it looks like, wow, 1,760. We're going to go in there. 4 goes into, well, it doesn't go in there 17 exactly, does it? But let's get an estimate. How about it? Let's try 4 and see what 4 does for us. So we're going to put off to the side here, those of you who are into long division. Those of you who aren't, let's just do a quick run on this. This won't hurt us. We're going to say 440 times 4. And I get a 0 there, I get a 6 here, and a 1 here, and I'm at, wow, that's exactly where I need to be, isn't it? So 1,760, so I'm going to put my little 4 right up there, and that is going to have me left over with nothing. Now, here's the deal. Everybody waiting for the deal. That just told me what? That told me that there are 4 laps to make a mile. All right, so we're going to also give you one more little information here. 1 mile equals 4 laps around this track. So what are we trying to figure out? How do we get to 3? Well, it looks like we're going to triple the amount of laps, doesn't it? And 3 miles will do just that. That will take us up to 12 laps, which is what we mean by a trip. 1 trip of the going around the track, and that's how many it will take. 12 laps gets you 3 miles, and that will get you ready to go out and get a lot of trick-or-treat food and a lot of candy.